Hi there, I'm Farmer Brad, and on today's video I am going to show you how easy it is to cook a solid frozen whole chicken in the Ninja Foodi 8-quart pressure cooker and air fryer. Now, many of my customers say that cooking an entire whole bird is very intimidating, time consuming, and I was never taught. Here is a way of using modern technology to be able to lessen the learning curve for cooking a whole chicken. Now, I was able to snag this for a pretty good deal in our local area, but this is the 8-quart. And what's nice about the Ninja Foodi is that it has the pressure cooker, and it has the pressure cooker lid, and it has the air fryer lid, so you're able to put the air fryer down on and get that nice crisp texture. So my initial goal is I have a little over 3.5 pound whole chicken. It is frozen as a rock. I'm going to put a cup of water in the bottom of this and pressure cook it for 40 minutes. Then I'll assess how it's doing after 40 minutes, and then I'll switch over to the air fryer mode, which at that time I'll probably put some oil and seasoning on it. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is get a cup of water and pour it in the bottom. I'm going to cut this out of the package. Now be mindful if you have giblets and other stuff in here. This one does not, so I'll go ahead and place that right there. I think that may fit okay. And what you do is you place the pressure cooking lid Okay, the pressure cooker lid has been placed, and make sure that the vent is in the ceiling pattern. And what we're going to do is we are going to pressure cook it on high for 40 minutes. Let's take a look in here. Wow. Oop. That is looking absolutely amazing. What I'm going to do is pour a little bit of vegetable oil on it, and sprinkle some pepper, some salt, and do a dash of that. And now we'll switch over to the air crisp mode for 10 minutes. We're going to do 10 minutes on either side. So you click air crisp, and let's do 400 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip it over. Hopefully it doesn't fall too much. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Then I'll put it on for 10 more minutes. Okay, so the last 10 minutes just finished. Open this up. Looks lovely. That is very moist, flavorful, and it started out frozen. So here you have it, a whole chicken cooked in an hour of cooking time, that is. Now there's a little bit of prep and a little bit of time for the Ninja Foodie to get up to temperature and pressure, but I basically cooked 40 minutes pressure cooking with the pressure lid, and then I did 10 minutes of air crisp air frying on one side, then I did it for 10 more minutes on the other side, and here we have a lovely looking whole bird. And remember folks, this started completely frozen from the freezer, hard as a rock.